What if I told you that the person standing on the top floor of a skyscraper is aging faster than the one at the bottom? Nope, it's not science fiction, it's Einstein's reality. So here's the real question. Why does time tick differently depending on how high you stand? Get ready, because we're about to bend your understanding of time itself. Time feels like the most constant thing in our lives, but physics says otherwise. Thanks to Einstein's theory of general relativity, we know that gravity can actually warp time. The closer you are to a massive object, like Earth, the slower time moves for you. So yeah, just by being a few hundred meters lower, someone in the lobby is experiencing slightly slower time than someone on the rooftop. Here's the breakdown. Gravity isn't just pulling you down, it's pulling on time itself. This phenomenon is called gravitational time dilation. On the top floor, gravity's pull is weaker, so tiny bit faster. The difference is mind-blowingly small. We're talking nanoseconds per year. But it's real. And GPS satellites? They actually have to adjust for this effect because they orbit high above Earth. In daily life, you won't notice it. But in the world of physics, this tiny shift matters big time. It proves that time isn't absolute. It's affected by speed, gravity, and yes, even where you're standing. It's one of the strangest and coolest truths of our universe. So next time you're in an elevator to the top floor, just remember, you're literally moving through time a little faster than everyone below. Mind blown? If you love these insane science facts that challenge what we think we know, smash that like button, hit subscribe and tell us in the comments. Where would you stand if you could time travel, top or bottom? This is your Knowledge AI, unlocking mysteries of knowledge. See you in the next episode.